me, Retired Shenanigans, here with another one. Today, we're going to cook pig feet. Pig feet. In this big pot, I'm making a massive amount of pig feet for my seniors at my center. So I'm going to fill this pot up with pig feet. They here soaking in the sink already with some vinegar, because I'm going to get ready to clean them. So I'm going to get ready to clean them, get them all seasoned up, and I'm going to show you the seasoning that I use on them, and put everything in the pot to cook on the stove for about 2 to 3 hours, maybe longer. But come along, join me. Also, don't forget, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I've always asked every video that I put up, help me view my vlogs. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'm stuttering a little bit because it's here, but it's not coming here. You know, seniors have their moments. But I know what I want to say. I want to say thank you. Please subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers to be monetized. You know, that's what this is all about. Help me get where I want to be. Thank you. Come back. See you in a minute. Right. Let me show you what I try to do when I'm cleaning them. Like if I see some of this hair stuff like this here on them, I try to take my potato peeler and I'll scrape them. You know, it cleans some of that hair off of them. I try not to cook them with so much hair. You know, but pig feet, that's the way they come. They come with a lot of hair on them. So I shave them. See how it's coming off? I can peel it. And you know, soaking it in the vinegar loosens it up. And I can go in here and scrape the hair. Scrape the hairs off. And then rinse them again. I'll put them in another pot so I don't go looking at them again. Okay? Try to give them a little haircut. Tell me how you clean your pig feet. But they born to have hair on them. I mean, yeah, born. But you know, I can't get all the hair, but I try to get most of it. So I have a lot of pig feet here to clean, as you see. So I'm gonna go through them, and when I'm all cleaned up, I'll come back and show you how I season them. Okay, I broke it down into 3 pots so it'll be easier to season. I'm gonna put sassoon in them. Sassoon. I got this recipe from an internet person. I don't know if I can say their name because I don't want to do the wrong thing. But she's a content creator. She showed me this recipe and I've been doing it ever since, and the people love it. She used this, right? And then she used this stuff. We're gonna pour all this away. You know what though? I want to pour that last. I want to put some of this mint onion stuff first on them. You know, I never really use this, but I like it. You can use this instead of cutting onions and stuff. You know? So meat tenderizer to tenderize these bad boys. Make them a little tender. But when I cook them, you'll see they're going to be falling off the bone. My infamous God can hurt. I love this stuff. Oh crap, don't tell me I broke it. Let's not break it. And I'm going to take off the top and pour it in like this. Alright. Now, this stuff. I'm going to pour on here. 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 I'll get a spoon so we can clear it out. Clean it out. You know what? I'm going to put a little water. I'm going to put a little water because you got to put water in it anyway. I'm going to put a little water in it. Where my top go? So I can shake it up. Oh, here. Shake it up. Because we're going to put water in these anyway. So, then I'm going to put some bouillon in it. I got more of this stuff in the closet. But this is the main ingredient. This is the main ingredient. This stuff right here. So, I'm going to finish seasoning, mix it all up. I'm going to cook it all in this pot. So, I'll show you the results at the end. This is it. This is all mixed up. All of them in one pan. I'm going to put some more water in it. I'm going to put some bouillon in it. I'm going to put it on the stove. And we're going to let it cook. Those are going to be good when they finish. When it's all done, I'll show you how they come out. Because they rave for these pig feet at the senior center. But you know, you can make them too, any kind of way you want. You can put your seasonings the way you want to do it. But I like these seasonings. You know, the hardest part of pig feet is cleaning. It took me about an hour to really get them clean the way I wanted them. So, we're going to finish it up, put them on the stove, and get them to cooking. So, we'll come back when it's all done. Okay, this is the final of me cooking the pig feet. They're all in this pan, wrapped up, ready to go to the center for the people to enjoy. I'm not going to taste them because I don't want to mess with them because I really made them for them. So, listen. It's very easy to make these pig feet. You season them the way you want. Always season your food the way you like. I can show you what to do, but you can do it the way you want to do. These pig feet are going to, listen, they're going to eat them up. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you made it to the end, thumb up this vlog. Subscribe and comment. You know, I'll take all comments, good or bad. I need subscribers, I need viewers. You know how this works with the YouTube thing. So, in the comments, the people that are watching me, let me know what you want me to do. We can do it. Because I'm always up to a challenge. But listen, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please, come back for the next one. Have a great day. Peace.